Today we're going to be looking at one of the best bend knots that you can learn. This one's called the Zeppelin Bend. Now, like the carrot bend, the great benefit to this one is that it's very easy to untie. However, this one's actually a little bit easier to tie than the carrot bend, which is probably a little bit better of a bend knot, but this one is very, very close, and they're rather similar in structure. So the great benefit, again, to this is that once you've loaded this one up and you have subjected it to a lot of load, and then you're finished using it, then you can come back and you can break these backs over, and this knot will come out very, very easily. So let me show you how to tie this one. Okay, to tie this one, what we're going to do is we're going to start off by making two opposing loops. So we're going to make this one in the shape of a 6, and we're going to make this one in the shape of a 9. Now, it doesn't really matter if you do a 69 or a 96. This one is known as the 69 method, which for a lot of people, for obvious reasons, is going to be a little easier to remember. But it makes no difference. Here's the key thing with this knot, is that the working ends. So you can see that on the working end for this one, it crosses around the top, and on the working end on this one, it crosses to the bottom. All you have to do is make sure that you have two opposing loops, so that one's on the bottom, one's on the top. Makes no difference which side. Now when you put them together, in this case, we're going to put the 6 over the top of the 9 because we want our working ends to be opposite of one another. Now we can take the working end on this side, wrap it around and through the loop, and the same thing on this one. Wrap this one around and through the loop. And then we can draw this all up together. And that forms the Zeppelin Bend. Again, this is one of the best bend knots that you can learn for the fact that it is extremely easy to untie after you have, after it has served its purpose. And the Zeppelin Bend will leave the two working ends facing in opposite directions. So this is the Zeppelin Bend.